Chillin' on the clouds.
I know I'm kinda late for this, but... Noah! Wait, why is it on portrait mode? Oh, thank God I can change it. So basically, after I clicked the landscape, the recording was still on portrait mode. And I've already recorded the whole process for 45+ minutes before I realized it. I kinda gave up on making this video, but I still wanna upload it, so here's what I did. Processing how this works. Excuse me, sorry, Sissy, I'm recording, so please This will be my new OC smiley face soon. I'm probably gonna change it at the end, but okay. There's a lot of new things we can use for our OC, which is delightful. I'm probably gonna use Gacha Life after I finish the current GCM I'm making. I'm literally recording this before going to work. So that's all. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Goddamn, that's a lot. This my new OC. It's something. Now this is better. Comment down below if I should make a funart contest. Okay, goodbye for real.
I'll make a cup of coffee for your head.